kushaboku kubira burisa bwa buyenze Church of Uganda kandi Reverend Canon Agashamuhwezi omuhandici w'ebyo bwegesa bwa Ankole Diocese ni wajwe kiro mureberezi Sheldon ogu ashabira Abakuristaayo kushaba obutosha bihira mutima yabo
abazira bari yahani nyenda kubashaba no kubeshengereza Ruhanga yinira abana bandi plano nungi nanda kubihamwe ubwakeye kubaha bwakeye manero C5 leaders kara yari ingere yahumwire yahumwize the next C5 chairman naza kurwo mu bana babashitama hasi yiki
Fred Mwesije abire nasima Ruhanga abo kumuhero kombeka OPD arubuyenze Health Center 3 kandi umugenyi mukuru yaba first deputy prime minister kandi wabire speaker w'ishengero rya Uganda Rebecca Alitwara Kadaga kandi ubwo hatari minister w'enshonga z'amahanga ga East Africa
ninye project coordinator ahabw'irwa rero konka ninye nagizire amana mingi ubuyabere mazire imyaka 10 ryo mu kishaka ubu naraganisa abantu ndinja kugira ngo kwatanise ne mukago ayibikize n'icyo tisyapo
kosi yeri n'irwarro rya church rye kanisa hatitwe nka government nutwija ku recognizinga kugira ngo turyete nbageta marwarro agebitongore bitari bya government narishi NGO hospitals and health facilities
nyonka member wa parliament ntire mu miliyoni zirengere 8 naba MP abandi unarebo magureta nabandi nabo batekamo sente nyingi kandi umurtayo rwa prime minister irizoba namushaba ngo atwereze amabati go kombeka ishomero ryite ryatwirwa mu hayaga eriherire health center kandi hagarika namushaba ngo atwereze abashaho gukora umwirwarire abakushashurwa government
abebembeze batari bamwe na bamwe bashira kushaboku kandi bakira umugenyi mukuru Honorable Kadaga na Rukundo Mpango Rebecca Kadaga yahereza irwaro rya Buyenze Health Center 3 tanka ya rite mitware 2
Then after he finished school he started sending me messages on email. I am doing this, who is this boy writing to me all the time? For about 2 months, I didn't know his letters. And I said, but this boy, let me answer his letter. So I said, come and we meet. I want to know why you're always writing to me. So he came, said, I was writing to you, tell you that what you did has enabled me to ABCD. You have supported a lot of young people to get placement.
When I was celebrating 13 years of helping young people in Uganda, you had not come, but Yago Martashoko Honorable represented you. And I told the congregation that I will try my level best. I will use all my connections to make sure that this health facility is here.
Abantu basimire Honorable Kadaga abo kubahereze bitanda byo kuzariraho omwirwariro ryabo.
Your contribution towards such a thing it speaks volumes.
Bwenu twongera kusiima government ya Uganda nsiima His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abwo butegeki bweye burungi.
Irwareri nirwirwariro ryonke rya Health Center 3 omugombora ya Rubindi kandi ryombekirwa abantu okuruga bagishara Rubindi Town Council. Ahabwa TV West and Evans Taremwa omuri Mbarara district.